still Windows updates going on. So some of the drivers already. Yes friends, here you can see tick mark blue color. This is the Windows key. Let's update. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Windows and how to update the drivers on Lenovo Thinkpad E14 laptop. This is the brand new laptop, Lenovo Thinkpad E14 Gen6. So I'm going to open the seal of the unit. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This is the design of the laptop, 14 inches ThinkPad with aluminum body, Microsoft Windows key, Windows 11 Pro, and adapter 65 watt type C. So this is one hand can lift this laptop. Very durable laptop for business use. You can see the logo E14 Generation 6 Ultra 5 model. Backlight keyboard, matte screen, WXGA screen 14 inches, 1920 by 1200, camera with shutter. This is a bootable USB flash, Windows installed in that one. So I'm going to install with the USB. Power adapter I'm connecting, USB-C, 65 watts power adapter. So power on, that power button is with a fingerprint also. This is a unit going to install Windows 11 Professional 64-bit and then installing the drivers with complete updates. And I will show you how to activate the Windows key also. So here the the touchpad doesn't work, so we need to use the USB mouse, or you can use the keyboard keys to install the OS. So once the drivers install, the touchpad will work. The beginning it doesn't work, so I'm using the USB mouse. I'm selecting the international language of the keyboard. Rest of the things same. Start install. So setup is starting now. It will take 10 to 15 minutes with the USB flash, the OS installation. Later I will install the key. So I'm choosing the Windows 11 Pro Media now. Next, accept the agreement of the Microsoft. Next, choosing the second option, the 512 GB SSD M.2 I'm selected. Next. So slowly all the media is going to install now. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. This is the design of the laptop, Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, smooth touchpad, backlight keyboard. Here you can see the display of the unit, webcam with the privacy setup, and the connectivities of the ports, one USB port, Ethernet port, RJ45, and Kensington lock system. Other side port I am going to show you now. Thunderbolt port and power USB port type C, and USB port, HDMI, headphone jack 3.5 mm. This is the design of this unit. So still the Windows is installing, so it will take 10 to 15 minutes to finish the installation. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. So the media is installing now, going to complete. So after this installation, system will restart several times. System is restarting. After all restart several times. It's almost done now. Still restarting. Still Windows updates going on. Some of the drivers it's taken. You can see this touchpad is working now. So one by one all the drivers will come after updating the Windows. Sound drivers, Wi-Fi drivers, camera drivers, display drivers, Intel drivers. So one by one will come. So you need to do full update until this green color. Now it's yellow color, still updates going on. So after all updates ready to use, I'll show you that once it's done. Please like my video. See, Wi-Fi drivers it's taken. So I'm removing this Ethernet. Here you can see Wi-Fi is connected. So I have removed the Ethernet. So now it's updates going on with the Wi-Fi. So one by one all the drivers will come. This is the Windows key. Let's start activate the key. So we need to activate Windows key on this. Go to my PC. Right click, more option, properties, and here we can see product key. And change the key. So here we need to enter the key. Let's activate. So Windows key is going to activate. So here you can see the key is activated. So still drivers is remaining. Still updates are remaining. Here you can see friends, green tick mark. So all updates completed. So ready to use. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.